The map reading lights in the 2001-2005 Honda Civic are easily replaceable with basic tools. First, park your Civic in a well-lit area and turn off the ignition. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently remove the lens cover of the overhead console. Insert the tool into the edge of the lens and carefully pry it down. Be cautious to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the cover is off, you'll see the bulb. Pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. It's a wedge-based bulb, typically a T10. Consider wearing gloves to avoid getting fingerprints on the new bulb. Remember, 2001 to 2003 models might have a slightly different setup than 2004 to 2005 models, so check your owner's manual if unsure. With the old bulb removed, it's time to install the new one. You can use either a standard T10 incandescent bulb, 12 volts 5 watts, or upgrade to an LED equivalent for longer life and energy efficiency. When inserting the new bulb, ensure the pins align correctly with the socket grooves. LEDs can be polarity sensitive, so if the light doesn't turn on initially, try rotating the bulb 180 degrees. Once the bulb is securely in place, test the light by turning it on. If it works, carefully snap the lens cover back into place. Apply even pressure to avoid cracking it. You've now successfully replaced your Honda Civic's map reading light bulb. Upgrading to LEDs is a great way to reduce strain on your car's electrical system.